Hi baby, welcome back to my channel, and if you're brand new, welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. So today we're gonna do the e-girl makeup look. I saw this look on Doja Cat's Vogue tutorial and I was like, why not try that? Why not try that? And I was like, wait, what is e-girl? So I looked up what e-girl is on Google, cause well, I'm gonna look it up.
And the pop culture dictionary says the terms, I'm reading from my phone, the terms e-girl and e-boy are slang terms for young women and men who are active internet users, often stereotyped as emo-styled anime and gaming fans trying to get attention on social media. And I don't like that definition. Why are you trying to get attention? I don't know.
There are some definitions that show that this is an insult, because apparently an e-girl is somebody who just who chases cloud, basically. Always looking for attention, doing the most to just get attention. But at the same time, e-girl is also somebody who's an emo, who likes anime. I'll put up some examples of the makeup looks that I saw of e-girls. There are also certain outfits that e-girls wear, grunge looks or gothic looks and all that. I used to like gothic looks like way back then. Yeah, this basically inspired by Doja Cat, because I love Doja Cat. Alright, the explanation basically for e-girl makeup. It is the e-girl makeup signature look is blush brushed on the nose, all the way from the cheeks all the way to the nose, like on the nose, like just blush all over here, and they usually have hearts drawn below the eyes. Some like freckles, faux freckles. They like drawing fake freckles on the eyes, and they always have a wing liner. Let's see if I can master the wing today and if I can draw the hearts, because these girls be using stamps they got from AliExpress to draw these hearts, and I'm gonna do it manually with my hands, so we'll see what happens. If I fail, you guys won't see it in the video, but yeah, let's jump right into it. Wow, that was a long intro, sorry guys. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We give a lot of love here and we laugh a lot. Yes, please turn on the notification bell so you can get all my uploads notifications, please. Yes, I'll be grateful. Be grateful if you do that. Thank you very much. Thank you in advance for subscribing. Bless you. Let's start with the eyeshadow. Obviously, I guess we're going pink. I'm gonna use the BH Cosmetic palette because it's the only palette that I have that has pinks. I'm gonna use all these pinks here. Let's see which one to pick. Obviously, this one, and my fave. My fave is this one, but I'm not gonna use this one. We'll see, guys. We'll see. Alright, I'm just going with the flow and going into all these pinks. I imagine if you're an e-girl, real e-girls, don't take too long doing the eye makeup. I mean, if they're dedicated to this, doing this every day, looking like this every day, they don't have time for cut creases and all of that shenanigans. They just blend pink, just put pink eyeshadow over and a kid eye, and blush and draw on some freckles and be on the way. I don't think they have time to do the hearts all every day either. But yeah, I guess on special occasions they do. That's just what I think, what I imagine they do. Going on with a flat brush, I'm gonna take a darker pink Kat from Euphoria was also an e-girl, I would like to think, when she came into her full queen self after she didn't care no more whether she was fat or not. I really like that. I like her character though. She started being a little mean, but like I live for her. I like Kat. I like the confidence she oozed when she came into that e-girl look of hers. The next part is where we go ham with blush. I like blush. The fact that we're going ham with it is my favorite thing right now. My blush brush and the blush. Barry, what does Doja kept saying in that Vogue tour? She wants a sickly look, looking like she just woke up and she's sick and she like spit into her nose and all that. You do look sick. Alright, and then the next step. I'm sneezing, I am getting sick of this. Ooh, getting sick. After this, what's next? I feel like the cat eye is the last thing I'm doing, guys. It's the last thing I'm doing. I'm doing it off camera. You guys cannot clap me for this. I can't. The next thing is freckles, faux freckles. Faux freckles. So my faux freckles, I'm gonna use this Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade that I don't use on my eyes because I don't like it for my eyes. I'm gonna use it. I always use it for faux freckles. So it is what we're doing today. Faux freckles for the girls. Oh, this is a really thin brush. And I'm just gonna swirl it in this, like this, and then swirl it at the back of my hand, like this. Try to make it real pointy. Do you guys even see anything? Faux freckles, I moved closer so you guys can see them. I think you can now. See me drawing the dots and then petting. We need to draw the hearts, guys. To draw the hearts. Guys, here's my heart. This is my heart. My heart, guys. So I don't know. Tell me why I didn't just cut this, because this is a good heart. I feel like the other side is gonna be like flats. That's what I did. I took the brown pencil and I drew a heart. Guys, I couldn't breathe and I can't breathe now either. With a little brown, yeah, and then I traced it with the brown again, and then next thing I'm going to use the black liner. Ooh, this is the scariest part. I reduced the ink on the liner on the back of my hand, and then we draw the heart. We increase the liner. Black hearts. Like the e-girlies. I don't think they can do this every day, guys. I look like Harley Quinn only if I like had the braids. I look like Harley Quinn. Okay, this is not bad. This is not bad. This is not bad. I like my hearts. Okay, this thing is breaking off. So let me be fast and do my cat eye. Apparently that's what it's supposed to look like. A gigantic wing. Woo, guys. I'm not used to this. Okay guys, this is the side that I can always do with on camera. Cause this side is always like it's a problem. So basically this is what e-girl looks like. Basically. Okay, let me go do my other eye off camera because you guys know I suck at doing the left eye. The left eye is trash. I'll be right back. Hey guys. Okay, get on with the other eyeliner. I want to do the other eyeliner and it was bad. It was bad, but you know these lashes, they hide the eyeliner, but it's okay because I feel like my lashes were disappearing into the eyeliner. So we are on here and now I have to, I'm gonna put on a wig. On the wig I'm gonna do the lower lash mascara. This is it guys, this is the final look. Okay, this is not the final look. What? I still have to do my lips, but the final eye look, I did a cat eye. This side, you can see there's a struggle. I'm gonna throw my wig on first, removing my ponytail. It's not a ponytail, but guys, I like this look. I like this look. Now I'm putting on my wig cap because you know we gotta look like the girlies. Okay, putting on my wig cap, guys. Don't judge me. We're here with our girl and we're getting in it. Yes. I don't like it when my ears don't show, guys. It's always the weirdest thing. So we got should I go put on a striped tee and be a complete complete together. Ooh, guys, what do you guys think? Yeah, I'm liking this. I'm loving the look. Yes, eager said hey, hi. Okay, we are done with our makeup. This is the best eagle makeup I could do, guys. Tell me what you guys think on the comment section below, and if you like this makeup, can you please leave a like? That would be so nice of you. Thank you very much for pressing the like button, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Like, what are you waiting for? Look at me, I'm serving you looks, showing you extra makeup. Yes, I think I look good. I think I tried my best. The hearts were difficult, the cat eye was difficult, but all in all, I was able to deliver, I would like to think. What about you guys? What do you guys think? Did I deliver or not? It's fine. Whatever you want to see, leave it down in the comment section below, and I will try my best to deliver. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you for spending this time with me. Grateful that you clicked on this video, and I hope that you will come back for another video. See you next time, guys. Love you, keep calm, and laugh a lot.